So here's my laksa. If you have been watching all the other episodes of Beauty and Food, you would know what this is. But if you're not, I'm just gonna tell you again. Laksa is noodles of soup. And usually, but not always, the soup will be made of asam or coconut milk or something light, depending on what kind of laksa you're getting. So in this one, there is onions, cucumbers, a really nice egg, and again, lime. I realized that a lot of Malaysian food like a bit of zest in their food. Malaysian people like a lot of zest in their food. So let's just squeeze this out. So this laksa is more on the bland side. It's not so much on the sour asam side, or the spicy side. It's more like the soupy kind of laksa, which is not something I'm used to, but it's alright. Yeah. I'm gonna try and dig and see what's underneath. Yeah, so more cucumber, few flecks of, I think it's fish, a bit of fish, and even more cucumber. So the only other thing that's here is the egg. Gonna get a bite of that. I like that little crunch that the cucumber gives. So that will be it for the review of the laksa. I'll give this a maybe 6 out of 10. It's not bad, it's good, but it's not mind-blowing, you know what I mean? But it's still pretty good, so if you're into laksa, come check this out. But I would definitely recommend you to come here, especially for these, because these babies are amazing. That will be it for this episode of Beauty and Food. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you again next time.